Network Entertainment.
Ladies and gentlemen, our musical guest, Christopher Cross, or NSYNC, if you're younger.
Sailing. Okay.
Sailing takes me away to where I heard it could be. Just a dream, and the wind to carry me. Soon I will be free. Yun na lang. Yun na lang part na yun importante. Soon I will be free.
Alam mo yun? Okay, so as a child, I always heard it from my mom na parang pagpangit yung kumakanta. They always would say na parang, ay, tumutula. And I never understood it until today. Today
Alam mo,
was not fated day. Na parang, okay, gets ko na ngayon. Ibig na sabihin.
any sentence that starts with, alam mo, sabi ng mama ko, pag may pangit kumanta, cannot end well. It will not end well. So, I don't know. I mean,
As in, today ko lang na-gets yung, yun pala yung tumutula. Okay.
alam
Now
mo,
I
can you
understand.
blame me? Because I'm generation
Yes, I
Olivia
can.
Rodrigo.
Yes,
So,
I can blame
these
you.
songs. So these songs are like ancient, and
Even
I
if
only know
your
like,
generation, Olivia Rodrigo, she's an amazing singer. What happened to you?
no, I mean like I'm more familiar with like Vampire.
Okay, sige nga, sige that song.
I'm a vampire
Yeah.
and bite your neck. I'm a vampire. Oh no, here
It's
comes
supposed to
the sun.
be.
I am melting.
Alam mo yung, it's not enough that you're a horrible singer. You had to be a horrible writer too.
What? Oh no, there is a stake
I'm just
driving
I'm
it
just
into
glad that
my
you don't
heart.
have an actual instrument, because then again, you'd be able to add horrible composer.
You know what? Hindi ka lang kasi maka-appreciate ng musical theater. Musical
Oh,
theater!
wow!
Alam mo yung yung spoken but sung, ganon. No? Parang ganon. Ganon lang siya. Wag kang hater.
Okay.
So,
So you're probably wondering why we're bringing up Sailing. Oh, I do have one. And it's
okay.
It's ano pa, Love OPM. Okay,
Oh,
ladies and
okay.
gentlemen, please welcome Franco.
Mm.
On my own, cast away, trapped and caught in between.
Oo nga.
Yes. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, you're right. I was like, ano pa ba yung pwedeng I was thinking rock the boat. Hindi naman lumubog yung barko. 'Di ba? Tumalon siya eh. So I was like,
Spoiler.
What could Grabe spoiler title. Title na nga, Castaway Diva spoiler.
Okay, all right. So welcome to Only Fun. His name is Chico Garcia.
And his name is Gino Killiamore. And if you're wondering, which I'm sure you are no longer wondering because we already said the title of the K-drama, we are doing Castaway Diva.
Okay. Yeah, I was not expecting something like this.
Yeah.
Because, you know how at the very start, at the very beginning, it's very, usual K-drama, very light, bubbly, whatever. And it's about kids, and they're like, follow your dreams, whatever. And I'm like super big fan of like this K-pop sensation, blah blah blah. And it's like, okay, it's one of those like, there's this boy, medyo dickish siya, tapos may in love siya dito sa babae na to. I'm sure. Pero merong undertones of, little did we know that we shared so much. We had so much in common from that parang heavy, horrible summer. And I'm like, what? Wait, what? Medyo na maganda na ako na parang,
right.
What was that? You know what I mean? Like, it all seems so bubbly here. Ng pucha. Bigla meron palang undertones of abuse on both.
Like
Alam mo yung
dark,
actually, hindi
like
na siya
all out dark.
Gulpe. Alam mo yung parang, holy crap, man. Like, what is up with that? And apparently, okay, medyo, I don't know how to feel about it because one side of the TV show is like, hey, have fun. This is this is about a little girl and a little boy who, join together, and obviously they're probably gonna fall in love at the very end of it, and it's about like escaping the small town, but at the same time it's about like parents beating up on their children and the possible traumatic effects of what it could do. Alam mo yun, parang,
At saka parang alam mo, ito yung first K-drama na papanoorin mo ever. You would think that Koreans are like the worst parents in the world.
Yeah.
Kasi parang both
the weird thing,
parents of both lead characters.
both dads have played characters who are actually super nice in other
Good
TV
dads.
shows. Good dads.
Wasn't
good dads, funny dads.
Wasn't Boy's dad the nice dad in Strong Girl?
Yeah. He's
Shim
the
Bam
strong,
Boom,
strong
diba?
girl.
Like, yeah.
Strong girl, Fin Fang Foom. Also Marvel. Super racist, by the way. FYI. You can't get away with that shit nowadays. You know what I mean? To call a Chinese villain.
Kasi hindi ko maalala. Fin Fang
Foom.
Foom, no? Parang
Fin
like,
Fang Foom.
wow. Yeah, that was like
really, guys.
a Chinese dragon named Fin Fang Foom. You know that it'll never make it to the MCU.
No, it will never. But yeah, anyway. Yeah, so these guys, and even Girl Dad, I've seen him in other K-dramas, and he's usually like funny,
I've never
very
seen
nice,
him kasi.
lovable. So alam mo yung parang all of a sudden, okay, nang gugulpi sila ng bata. Alam mo yung ganun? Tapos parang, and especially that one, there's this one scene where basically, okay, so to set it all up for you, little boy meron siyang issues. Medyo meron siyang parang, I'm gonna make so much money, like pineperahan niya lahat. Si girl wanted to borrow his battery for his phone. She charged niya 1,000 won, ganyan. Tapos turns out, the reason why he wants to earn so much money is because he's trying to save enough for him to be able to run away from home.
To run away. Kasi nga, abuser. The dad is
abuser
like
yung dad niya.
physical abuser. Bugbog sarado. Ganong level.
And he's also a police officer. So now, cut to, si boy is like, annoying itong girl na to. She has no problem. She's so happy. Unlike me. Na parang, she's probably like a simple girl because,
okay, before you continue. Kasi siya, parang very broody na siya. He's a brooding kid. Si girl, the reason he assumed it, she's the complete opposite. Like, alam mo yun, very bubbly, very makulit, cheerful, very happy. So, alam mo yun, from somebody who's in a very dark place, sabi niya, nakakairita tong babaeng to. Kasi, like, mukhang siguro ang saya-saya ng buhay nito kasi all she cares about is fangirling.
Essentially, parang wrong wording lang, pero I think what she was trying to say was like, she's probably a simpleton.
Yeah.
Diba? Because like, look, nothing's affecting her life. Like, she's so happy. Little did boy know na si girl pala abusive din yung dad.
Ganon din.
Thankfully, hindi naman in a sexual way. I mean, not that it's... But you know what I mean? Like,
not that it's any
also
better.
Horrible. Yeah. But it's also horrible because the dad was beating her up. And so finally, girl is like, you know what? I'm gonna call the police because it's too much. Anak ng pucha. Yung dumating na police. Yung tatay ni boy. And
si abuser tatay ni boy.
Si abuser tatay ni boy. So when everybody was like, why the hell are you beating your daughter up and whatever, dinefend ni abuser tatay boy. Na parang, no, that's just teenage angst. I understand you. Alam mo yung parang, oh my God, like this is like, it's horrible. So dark. It's horrible. It's horrible because there's no getting away for this little girl. Na parang, the police are supposed to be the ones to help me. They're supposed to be the abuser din yung police. So alam mo yung parang ngayon, kinampihan pa yung tatay ko. Tas mas lalo pa akong naipit. Because can you imagine, if you were in her shoes, if you were in the shoes of somebody who is, trigger warning, I think, for if you're in a relationship with an abuser or if you have a parent who abuses you, the worst thing that could happen is exactly this. Na alam mo you report it to the authorities hoping na they'll help you out, last ditch attempt, and then kakampihan pa nila and they'll tell you to stay with them, which makes it worse because now your abuser is made known of the fact na chinuchu mo sila. Alam mo yung ganun?
And super
Na,
hate ko yung ganyang like FYI. Super hate
yeah.
watching stuff na ganyan. Yung pag merong plot twist na yung finally sinumbong nila sa police, tas yung pala the police is part of this big
Yeah.
organization. I hate that plot twist. Kasi nga parang I feel so bad for and hopeless for the bida,
Oh.
for the lead characters. Kasi parang like, hello, if the only people who can help you out are the bad guys, who do you go to for help?
Exactly.
You know, so, like, saan ka pa pupulutin? Wala na. The game over. So, super, like, hated that part of it. Kasi busit na busit rin ako.
Hey, what took you so long? I got lost. Huh? I got lost inside the mind of a genius. What? Can you imagine being at the center of 16 billion Da Vinci paintings through AI? It's like seeing what's inside Da Vinci's mind. The paintings are around you and above you and right through you. Oh, I can't explain it. The whole experience is trippy and wild and seriously amazing. You have to see it for yourself. Check out BGC Immersive Presents Wisdom of Da Vinci, a celebration of art, light, and technology. Get lost inside the mind of a genius. Use the code ONLYFUN150 to get a special discount when booking your tickets at bgcimmersive.com.
So yeah, it's so confusing like how this whole thing plays out, because alam mo yung, on the one hand, it's very, very, very light. It's very, very fun. It seems like, you know, your traditional, ideally the K-drama that we kind of gravitate towards, or the K-drama that we know. And then there's also this super heavy. I don't know if I'm just affected by it more than the others. Because if you think about it, like, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? Diba there's also there. There was also like kidnapping. There was alam mo, meron naman talaga siyang dark. Pero I guess di lang ako masyado affected dun sa kidnapping. Because it's not something that like I've experienced or I've seen. As opposed to this, na parang it's something that I've actually seen. It's something that it's something that hits a little closer to home. So alam mo yung parang maybe kaya ako mas affected by this other than the K-dramas that we've seen before is because it's something that can happen. Alam mo yun, parang for me, ang layong mangyari nung makikidnap ako tapos parang yung kidnapper ko some weird widower na namatay yung kid niya or something like that, diba? As opposed to this. No.
Although ang ano ko talaga is because you've watched one episode.
Yeah. I'm sure you've gone past one.
Yeah. I'm caught up. Kasi it's the show na it's a K-drama where we started the same time everybody else started. So ano pa lang siya, parang 5 or 6 episodes in. So it's easy pa to catch up. To be honest, after the first episode,
yeah,
parang ano na siya. It's almost
happy
like
na.
a different K-drama.
Right. So kumbaga ano lang siya,
like
to set
K-drama.
the mood lang. I mean, to set the background lang.
Yes. I mean, I don't want to spoil anything, pero the evil is still there. Pero mas-shift for a bit yung pag naging adult na siya.
Okay.
Kasi I'm surprised that they didn't actually go more into the adult version of the character. Si Moksa ba yun? So Moksa.
Moksa.
Parang 'di ba they stopped na she's still a kid. So it will go on with the whole, and you know, this is not even a spoiler na obviously she will become an adult while she's stranded for parang 15 years or something, and then will be found. I mean, that's a given, diba? That's the whole concept nga eh. So by the second episode, ano na yun, yung dadali na siya sa big city na ito siya, parang like, oh, I've disappeared for 15 years and everything looks so different. Everything's so different. And you'll be introduced to why it's called Diva. Kasi diba, her idol
is will
still be there.
Yeah.
But the little twist is, and I don't think this is a spoiler kasi by second episode naman gets mo na to. 15 years after, syempre, ano niya, parang like, oh my gosh, the whole point in me getting stranded was because I was on my way to meet her. I was supposed to meet her and she was going to make me a big star. By the time she comes back, the girl, si Ranju, is already like a has-been.
Laos na.
Super laos na siya. So, ang ganda ng plot twist na parang like, like she was the biggest star during her time, but not anymore. Right. And parang dun na mag-ano yung parang they kind of like team up to bring her back.
To further their career.
And then siya eventually, I'm guessing, wala pa tayo dun, pero I'm guessing she will also become a star. Kaya nga siya Castaway Diva, di ba?
I'm sure,
Because, she will probably become known too as a singer.
At the start naman, that's already her dream. Not to be able to escape the island that she grew up in and become just like Raju, whatever.
And marami pang plot twist, but I won't get into it na. Ito yung mga nasa episode 3, 4, 5. Kasi, pero interesting siya. And I must say, although there is that, it doesn't get as dark as episode 1.
Okay, so episode 1 is really like parang
that was
the darkest that it
pareho tayo eh. I was like, holy crap.
Where diba? Kasi malala eh.
Malala, nung pagka-dark niya.
Alam mo yung enough, sabihin natin inupakan sila sa bahay multiple times. While yung when Moksha was, Moksha nga ba? Moksha.
Parang ganun eh.
Moksha is a bar in Wilson. Basta si Girlie is in a ferry on the way to Seoul from whatever tiny island in Korea. And then, kasabay niya dapat si Boy because they were both supposed to run away together. But Boy saw that girl's dad was already coming into the ferry. So he decides to like do the heroic thing and is like, you know what? Be famous, do whatever. I'm gonna stop your dad. Tapos alam mo yung literal, nag-uupakan sila sa harap ng ferry, yung binabato siya pa po. Tapos ang nakatawa dito, may mga ibang tao naman. May mga ibang tao around them. And you would think na parang, bro, bata yung inuupakan.
That's a kid.
Siguro tigilan natin sila, no? But no, nobody stopped them. And it's so messed up. I'm like, what the hell is happening here?
It becomes more standard fare K-drama.
Okay.
After that, I must say, I mean, marami pa rin siyang what if, ha? And of course, there will be villains and all that. Pero parang, for me, up to episode 5, hindi naman parang umabot ulit dun sa darkness nung one. To be honest, kahit ako, parang I was like, what happened? I mean, when we started watching this was a cutesy little thing, and then it took a really dark turn. Parang umano naman siya, kumbaga umahon, and then it introduced some major mysteries na very, very very engaging and got me very interested. I mean, we were just going to watch 1 or 2 episodes, right? But I ended up catching up kasi nga, na-curious na rin ako na parang, so ano ba? Anong nangyari? So
essentially, because you've seen multiple episodes already, I'm assuming the actors are different na.
Oh yeah, of course.
Okay. So
except the dad. The dad will still be the same.
The dad will still be the same, I'm assuming. Yeah, but at least I also just wanted to find out if it was more like parang kasi first episode wala pang pakita kung sino eh, 'di ba?
Wala.
Kumbaga, it's just the kids.
Yun nga, that's why I'm surprised. I was surprised na hindi introduce yung adult versions. Kasi di ba usually, they introduce na the whole...
And I'm sure the stars are the adults.
Yeah, of course. The girl is the same girl in Attorney Woo. It's her. She's Attorney Woo. And the same girl in...
and she's a big star.
Yung The King's, ano yan? The King's, yung...
Affection?
The King's Affection. Yeah. That's where I first saw her. And then Attorney Woo second. She's a huge star. Yun nga, na parang like, I guess, it's very Rip Van Winkle in a way. Like alam mo yung...
Like Captain America.
Like Captain America.
I'm in ice for so long. And then when I come back, like, all these new inventions are here.
Yung parang hindi niya alam kung ano yung kung sino yun, kung anong contraption to. Although, technically, 15 years lang naman. So, hindi naman siya OA like Captain America levels. Pero merong fish out of water, kind of thing. And, being stranded, being shipwrecked,
Yeah.
is actually one of the
Fears that you have.
yeah. Like
can
I remember
Although,
being,
ito yung hindi ko gets Ito yung hindi ko gets. Tumalon siya from the ferry, di ba?
yeah.
Yung ferry, by the time na tumalon siya, literal wala pang 10 minutes from the dock eh. So parang, bakit ka nawala? Bakit ka, alam mo yung parang, saan ka napadpad? Paano ka napadpad dun? Tumalon ka naman ng boat 10 minutes away from the dock. I'm sure you could have seen where the dock is.
Hindi, baka ano lang yon. I mean, a little bit of a time jump. Baka by the time nagkagulo, baka hindi naman, baka 10 minutes from our point of view. Baka
Legit, you could, remember there was a scene where she was at the back already and the dad was like, don't jump. Kita mo pa yung pier eh. Parang, kita mo pa yung pier eh. Ano, kaya sabi ko rin parang, huwag ka na tumalon kasi nagagawin mo. Saan ka mapupunta?
They kind of explained that, ha? Kasi pwede, she could have lost consciousness.
Okay.
Maybe she hung onto something, a debris, tapos biglang current. Currents can very fast bring you to somewhere very far.
I wanna look at
pwede.
Geography of Korea.
Hindi, tsaka alam mo, they brought it up, second or third episode.
Okay.
Parang, because although Korea is very small,
right,
and you can't, parang hindi mo maisip na merong masa-stranded because it's such a well-documented country.
Yeah.
Sinabi nila na parang there are over ganyan-ganyan 100 uninhabited islands. Parang ganon.
Okay.
So apparently littered all over. So it's very possible for, parang supposedly, for you to be in an island, although technically, lapit-lapit naman yung mga islands nila, na maano ka, that you become a castaway, and for 15 years remain undetected by civilization. And it also gave me a lot of
gusto ko malaman kasi 'di ba pa ako Jeju Island, alam mo naman paano pumunta doon, yung mga ganyan. I wanted to find out ano nga ba pangalan ng island na kung nasan siya galing, tapos how far it is from Seoul, and like what are the islands around it, because I feel like, come on, really, like you'll get lost in,
The tables have turned. The podcasters now want to listen to you.
Tell us your thoughts in the survey for a chance to win a cash prize. Be honest, huh?
Answer the survey on our website, surveypilipinas.org.
And you're automatically part of the raffle. For a chance to win 5,000 pesos in cash,
make sure to complete the survey for your entry to be qualified.
We're excited to get your feedback. We are listening.
Just go to www.surveypilipinas.org at baka ikaw na ang next winner.
It actually gave me a lot of Triangle of Sadness vibe. Kasi 'di ba parang yung parang sila, they got their ship, sila naman their yacht sank. And then they thought they were stranded, not realizing that island where they were stranded in, thinking na, oh no, we're going to die here forever. Hindi nila alam, sa kabilang side nun, may resort. May hotel. Di ba yun yung parang nakakatawa na part, yung parang, and to think nag-Lord of the Flies moment na sila na, alam mo yung, it brought you down to the basic instincts na parang like, you were willing to do this, to murder each other, to become cannibals,
to eat each other,
time to become cannibals, not realizing na guys, tumawid lang kayo, may resort doon.
Literal may resort doon. Wala man lang nakaisip na mag-ikot no?
Oo. So medyo may ganong aspect siya na parang like, and naman with K-dramas, don't get into those kinds of details.
Of course,
remember
the suspension of disbelief.
The suspension is disbelief. Enjoy the ride. Alam mo naman na, sige, pag sinabing na stranded for 15 years, maniwala ka na lang, di ba? Kasi parang,
wag mo na lang tanungin.
Wag ka na umepal, di ba?
Pero tawag-tawa lang talaga ako because when she was about to jump, I'm like, yo, the pier is right behind you. Like, even if you jump, what are you gonna do? You're gonna swim away from your dad?
Sige, ito yung tanong ko sa'yo. How do you think will you fare? How do you think will you fare
if
you are stranded in an island?
I
and what would be the reaction? Would you like, yung parang to the very ends of the earth, you will survive, eat whatever it is.
Yung reaction ko parang, finally, peace. Finally, solitude.
Ako siguro, initially, I'd be like, I'm all alone on an island. There is nobody here in this stretch of beach, uninhabited.
Mhm.
Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da.
Kasi marinig ka, hoy, hoy!
Look at the sea serpent.
Oh, ew.
You know, I'd be like,
Tapos yun, literal, may nag-Instagram live sa tabi mo, hindi mo lang alam.
yung parang triangle of sadness, hindi ko alam,
nandun lang
resort
pala.
mo lang.
Alam mo, nasa Dolomite Beach ka lang pala. Alam mo,
Tapos ito, yung nag-helicopter pa ako ng putotoy ko na, I'm free.
Yeah, obviously, like, I think I would find it horrible. Like, I'd be so bored. There, no internet, no gaming, no nothing.
None. Zero.
Yeah, I don't know. So, yeah. But I think I'd survive naman. Like, I have
Ako
a
din.
fairly basic grasp of survival.
Alam mo yung,
I just wouldn't be able to take it if, like, you know, the wild insects.
ako, I just don't know how long I will last. Pero I will. Kasi like, you know, I think I would find a way. Like, yung kunyari, survival mode na ako. You'd be surprised.
But are you the type to survive? Ako kasi feeling ko
Yeah.
I'd give up eh. I'd be like,
No.
okay lang.
Believe it or not, matiisin kasi ako na tao eh. So,
Ah.
you know what I mean? Like,
Ako kasi parang naghahanap na ako ng escape route.
hindi kasi alam mo, sa
Hoy, ito
totoo
na
lang
yan.
ha, you might
Nobody would take it against you.
you would think that I'm such a pampered princess and, you know,
Yeah.
in many ways I am. Pero sa totoo lang, sanay ako magtiis. Like,
Right.
I thrive.
Oh, I know.
So,
I know this.
I mean, like,
I mean, like, I could state a few examples of.
hindi totoo. Like, kaya ko siya talagang tiisin. Kaya ko siyang tiisin. So, ako feeling ko, siguro, I'll find a way to learn how to catch fish because I don't know how gets. Pero yung, I'd probably have the spear thing and then, pag yung talagang survival mode na, I learned to catch shellfish para sa Survivor, the TV series, na kukuha na lang ako ng shells or maybe the crabs.
Ako, I think it'd take
Kaya
a while
ko,
for me to get into the water and catch fish. I'd probably just work on coconuts first. And like,
no.
yun
Ako
ang
mas
muna yung
fish
kakainin
because
ko. Tas,
I'd be so scared to climb a tree.
Even if really, I'd rather climb a tree than
I'd rather
or at
go
least
into
use
the
a
ocean.
rock and like.
I would rather go into the ocean. Kasi di ba I have fear of heights. So feeling ko malalaglag ako. So gutom na nga, pilay pa, di ba? So hindi ko nakakayanin talaga pag balian pa ako ng buto. Paano mangyayari sa akin
medyo matanda ka na, no? Medyo matagal na yung healing process pag nabalan pinapilaya.
Grabe ka. Well, sa bagay, if you think about it. Si Moksha, na-strand siya ng 15 years. Oh, good Lord. Ilan taon na ako na.
Ano mo yung pagbalik mo? Pagbalik mo parang...
Alam mo yung pag kunyari may dumating na boat, tapos makita na there's a bearded old man. Parang, oh my gosh, like have you been stranded here for 100 years? Mga 10 years.
Mga 2 months pala ako nandito.
Yung sabihin nila, oh my gosh, dito ka na tumanda. How long have you been here? 10 months.
Alam mo yung kagad yung pumati sa'yo.
Yung parang like, ka-strand ko pa lang eh. Mga loko kayo ah. Walang kwenta. Walang kwenta.
I think we should come up with a comedic movie about getting stranded. Ano ba yun?
I can't. Hindi, pero yun, ako feeling ko talaga, how do you think, kunyari, okay.
Yeah.
Given that, okay, I know this is a little dark, sorry, trigger warning, pero what if you get stranded? We'll both answer this, ha? Obviously, we'll try to survive at the start.
Okay. Yeah, for sure.
How do you think,
what point?
how do you think will it end? Like,
Well, it
to the
depends.
point
I
na
mean-
tatanda ka na and like you'll just die of natural, or hindi mo na kaya and you'll do something to
It really
to get
depends
relief.
on where, like, wait, are you saying the choice is like there's no rescue at all?
There's no rescue. Let's say we will never be rescued. Do you think you'll hold on until you die of natural causes? Out of hunger, maybe, or out of
You know
old
what?
age? Or do you think you'll reach that breaking
Yeah.
point where you're like,
Where you're like, F
ayoko
this,
na. Ayoko na,
I think-
and do
I think
something
it's-
about it.
for me, right now, it's easy for me to say, ayoko na. Alam mo yun, parang I'll just give up. Pero when you're at that moment, when your survival instincts kick in,
That's true.
it might be different. You know
That's
what I
true.
mean? Like, or it doesn't even have to be survival instincts. It could be fear. Because it could be fear of like, oh, what happens if I die? Like, what happens after? You know what I mean?
That's true. That's
Because
true.
there's also that na parang, now it's easy to say like parang okay, I'll just rest. What if, if what they say about sorry again, trigger warning. If what they say about suicide is supposedly true, na parang you condemn your soul to eternity in hell if you do it, like, you know what I mean? Like, dami questions eh.
Kung
And I
maisip
think-
mo pa yon.
Oh,
Kasi
no,
sometimes
but
if you're
for
already on the
sure.
verge of
But feeling
like,
ko for sure iisipin mo yan lahat because like you have a lot of time on your hands.
that's true.
Like you're gonna be thinking about so many different outcomes, so many different possibilities, and I think that's what will drive you insane. It's because you're thinking about all these things constantly. Tapos parang ano na ba mangyayari? You know what I
Ako
mean?
kasi I think I'll hold on until for as long as I can. And plus, I'm a drama queen, so I'd be like, I'm thinking
Yeah.
of that thing na nasa may cliff ako, tapos yung parang like, I'm starving. And I like, ocean,
You just-
take me now.
You wait for the day kasi parang inantay mo na yung nakabalik ka
This
din
is my big
civilization.
dramatic moment.
Tapos ikukwento mo lahat. Parang,
I was about to give up. And then,
how horrible it was.
and then suddenly, like, a cloud of fireflies descended
Wow.
upon me.
What?
And then when I opened my eyes, I was being reborn like the Venus de Milo in a giant clam, and there I was, naked as the day I was born, near the shore, and I was brought by a bevy of dolphins, and they pushed me towards Manila Bay.
You've given this a lot of thought.
I've given it a lot of thought.
Yeah.
Castaway Diva.
Like it.
That will be my title. Alam mo yung kung si Regine Songbird, Asia Songbird.
Asia Songbird.
Si Lani Misalucha, Asia's Nightingale. Ako, Castaway Diva.
Castaway Diva.
Oh
Oh
my gosh. But go check it out. Go check it out. I mean, for me, it's still, I would still consider it at episode 5
Uh-huh.
more on the light side than
Right.
dark side. Hindi
I
siya
think it was
ganun
really
ka-dark.
just the first episode that like made it.
I think they just wanted you to feel that bad during the first
Yeah.
episode for you to root for the characters.
And also to make it, I guess, more magical when it finally happens. na
Yeah.
Parang, she was able to rise above all of this stuff.
Pero like promise, parang it's like you're watching a completely different, with the exception of the connection to the old story.
Yeah.
It's like they'll bring a plot that's so different
From
the
what
first
you
episode.
what you
Oo.
saw in the first
Parang may
episode.
bagong kwento, kumbaga. Yung pagdating niya dun sa Back to Civilization.
Yeah.
They bring a completely new story na susundan mo. And then parang magiging side kwento na lang yung her past as the abused kid. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so check it out. Castaway Diva. It's available on Netflix. Episode 5 by the time this podcast is released. Of course, we want to thank our partners, the Pod Network Entertainment. You can check us out on social media. It's at OnlyFunPH, at Chico Garcia for him, at Gino.KillYouMore for me.
All right.
See you guys next time.
We'll see ya.
Bye.
Bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.